We provide professional fastener packing solutions for global customers. We support mixed packs, chain packs, and customized fastener kits for different applications. To ensure accurate quantity control, our machine uses infrared sensor counting, combined with high-precision weighing for each vibration bowl. Our equipment is equipped with 13 feeding stations, allowing multiple components to be packed efficiently in one process. This is our screw vibration bowl, designed with a linear track for stable screw feeding and accurate counting. For washers, we use dedicated washer vibration bowls to ensure smooth and consistent feeding. Our universal vibration bowl can handle plastic anchors, plastic spacers, meaning levels, and other components, making it suitable for various customized fastener kits. Of course, universal vibratory bowls can also convey screw components. After automatic packing, every order goes through manual inspection to ensure product quality before shipment. Contact us for your custom fastener packing project.